Hello students, how are you? I am Vijay. And students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is biomechanics and sports. This is very important chapter for the players, as well as this is very important chapter for the 12th board also. So today we will discuss what is biomechanics and how it is helpful in games and sports, what is the importance of biomechanics and how its work. These are the main topics. So let's start. First of all, we should start about the biomechanics. Biomechanics is a very important and it is play very vital role to understand the skills, fundamental skill, terminology, and how techniques performed in the games and activities. Means it is very helpful to learn the things, how to execute whenever player are playing. And one more thing, this is very important role of biomechanics, ki how we can improve the performance of player in games and sports. This is a play vital role to improving the performance or level of the player in games and sports. So let's discuss about the biomechanics. What is biomechanics? Yeah, we can say how it's work or what is the meaning. In the field of physical education, the biomechanics, the field of physics and the force that act on body in motion. This is the biomechanics basically. एक फिजिक्स है और ये फोर्स बॉडी पे किस तरीके से एक्ट करती हैं जो बॉडी है उसको मोशन में लेके आने के लिए, तो इसी को हमें समझना है. नाउ मीनिंग ऑफ बायोमैकेनिक्स, व्हाट इज बायोमैकेनिक्स? बायोमैकेनिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ फोर्स एंड देयर इफेक्ट्स ऑन लिविंग सिस्टम. दिस इज द बायोमैकेनिक्स. This is the meaning of biomechanics, students. Now, this is very helpful. This is the one meaning, but we can discuss the another definition. This study of biomechanics or analysis of human movement pattern in sports is called biomechanics. This is the another meaning. And in simple words also I will be explain, and you must be understand, I think so. The biomechanics, the study of the body is as machine basically. यानी हम एक जो लिविंग ऑर्गन है, जो बॉडी है, वो एक एक्ट कर रही है और जो एक्ट कर रही है दैट इज़ द मशीन. बट वो जो एक्ट करती है उसमें किस टाइप से बॉडी को बैलेंस करना है, कितना स्ट्रेच करना है और क्या एंगल्स, बेसिकली हम इस पे काम करते हैं. और बायोमैकेनिक्स भी यही हेल्प करती है चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड करने में. उसकी जो बॉडी का एक्ट है वो और कितना इंक्रीज़ किया जा सकता है, उसका लेवल और उसकी रेंज, और जिस बेसिस पे हम जो मेन बात करते हैं वो करते हैं हम रिजल्ट्स की, वो बात करते हैं हम परफॉर्मेंस की, कि हाउ वी कैन इंक्रीज द परफॉर्मेंस. एंड दिस स्टडी ऑफ द बॉडी लुक्स एट द इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. दोनों जो फोर्स है हमारी, चाहे इंटरनल फोर्सेस हैं हमारी या एक्सटर्नल फोर्स है, मसल फोर्स है या जो हम वैसे बाहर से फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, इन दोनों एक्ट की बात होगी बॉडी के ऊपर और उसकी मूवमेंट के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. द बॉडी एंड मूवमेंट that these force produce, how it's produced also. And now we will be discuss about the importance of biomechanics in sports. What is the important role in biomechanics? So biomechanics focuses on the apply of that scientific principles on mechanics physics to understand the movement of or action of human body basically during the games, sports or activity, and such as games like cricket, and how to hold the cricket bat, how to hold the hockey stick, javelin, how to throw the javelin, etc. And how the different forces affect human motion and how to movement can be improved as study in biomechanics. So these type of role play very important. And one more thing, the knowledge, scientific knowledge, that is the knowledge of biomechanics provide a perfect pattern or understanding of the human body to perform that particular act, and to understand the level of that activity, okay, how to apply the perfect force on the perfect angle and what kind of result we can gain. तो ये चीज़ हमें समझना और उन टेक्निक्स को गेम्स और स्पोर्ट्स में अप्लाई करना विद द हेल्प ऑफ biomechanics, and we can get the good results also. So these lot of points are there, students, and then first we have to discuss the point assist in improving technique. Assist in improving technique means this is very helpful to improving technique, because in simple manner, simple method, we have to say the improving performance in most of games and sports. But this is very important fact to techniques use apply. It is one of the motivating factor also, and this is very important to understand with the help of study of biomechanics. Biomechanics can be applied to improve techniques, but first of all the coach and teacher must be understand, and they have the knowledge or deep knowledge about their particular activities and particular mechanism to apply in a correct manner. This is very important, how to apply the techniques skill, fundamental skill, and how player or sports person can be increase their result, or they can easily understand the effective techniques on the performance also. Suppose for example we have to discuss about some activities like new techniques of high jump with the help of biomechanics, and that techniques helpful to player or him to achieving extraordinary result or enhancing the competition level also. So these are techniques very important to understand and to execute in games and activities, and these are very helpful to, with the help of the teacher or coach or trainer, they must be helpful for that particular player or sports person to explaining or to increasing the level of biomechanics with the help of analysis method also, and to apply all these techniques in a games to improving the result. Now, second point. This is the second point, help in improving equipments. This is also very important role with the help of biomechanics, or study of biomechanics also helpful to improving the sports equipments, that equipments used by the player. And there's a lot of equipment, and it is very helpful to improving the design for the equipment to using in various games and sports. Just like sports, we have to discuss, then a lot of things are in sports, but suppose shoes, clothes, that is kit and tracksuit and different various kit for that particular games. These are very important because these are the part of the equipment, and equipment used in almost each and every games and sports. These equipment used by the sports person may have in effective manner and to provide the performance in a enhancing bar also. With the help of perfect equipment, we can enhance the performance level. And how it is possible? With the help of the deeply analysis and study of biomechanics. For example, we have to discuss about the swimming. Swimming. So now understand the its strengths. कि स्विमिंग में क्या पहना जाता है? कॉस्ट्यूम पहना जाता है. कॉस्ट्यूम जो होता है वो हमारा बहुत टाइट होता है, स्किन टाइट होता है एक्चुअली. वाई वी आर वेयरिंग, हम जो कॉस्ट्यूम पहन रहे हैं वो पॉलिस्टर का पहन रहे हैं, स्ट्रेचुअल है. अगर वो ना पहन के हम लूज पहने, या फिर हम स्ट्रेचुअल ना पहने, या पॉलिस्टर का ना पहन के कॉटन पहने, तो हाउ वी कैन इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ पर्टिकुलर स्विमर? नहीं, क्योंकि हमें वहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है. बायोमैकेनिक्स ये हेल्प करती है. बायोमैकेनिक्स ने क्या किया, ने देखा पॉलिस्टर है, दैट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ, वो किसी भी तरीके की बैरियर नहीं होगी जो स्विमिंग करने में. तो सबसे पहली चीज़ है स्किन टाइट है, तो पानी नहीं भरेगा, उसके अंदर हवा नहीं भरेगी बिकॉज वो टाइट है. दूसरा, वो इतनी स्मूथ और चिकना है कि जिसकी वजह से पानी जो है फ्रिक्शन नहीं करेगा, तो जो स्विमर है वो अच्छे से स्विमिंग कर सकता है. सेम लाइक एथलेटिक्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट एग्जांपल. आपने देखा होगा पहले लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एथलीट होते थे, वो बहुत लूज शॉर्ट पहनते थे, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ बायोमैकेनिक्स अब क्या हुआ है, अब जो एथलीट्स हैं हमारे वो टाइट, स्किन टाइट पहनते हैं, टाइट ही पहनते हैं. उनका मेन पर्पज़ क्या होता है ये पहनने का? उनका मेन पर्पज़ ये होता है क्योंकि जो एयर होती है वो जो लूज़ क्लॉथ होगा उसके अंदर आ जाती है, और जिसकी वजह से जो एथलीट की स्पीड है वो डिक्रीज़ हो जाती है. बट जब हमने स्किन टाइट पहना है और हमने बहुत ही स्मूथ फैब्रिक का क्लॉथ पहना हुआ है, देन इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर टू इम्प्रूविंग द स्पीड, बिकॉज जो फ्रिक्शन है, एयर फ्रिक्शन, वो हमें उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा. तो दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Now let's discuss rest of things also. Equipment, lot of equipment designed by the lot of factories, but how they will be designed, the equipment, the shape of equipment, yeah, we can say guards of equipment like helmet, whatever the like goalkeeper, hockey goalkeeper की हेलमेट हो गई, आइस हॉकी की किट हो गई है, या क्रिकेट बैटमैन का ग्लव्स है, उसके अंदर पैड्स है, हेलमेट है. तो ये क्या है? स्केटिंग गार्ड्स, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रोटेक्ट एल्बो, नीज, टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द इंजरी. एंड देयर इज वन मोर थिंग, वॉलीबॉल एंड बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम यूजिंग, दैट इज़ द फिंगर ग्रिप्स, बिकॉज बहुत बार जब फिंगरिंग प्रैक्टिस होती है तो उसमें फिंगर जो होती हैं वो उसमें फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है. ड्यू टू जर्क, तो वो गार्ड्स, ये सब चीज़ें क्या है, इन सब चीज़ों के ऊपर बायोमैकेनिक्स ने डीपली हेल्पफुल रही है और वर्क किया. एंड टू with the help of deep work we have to use lot of type of equipment, costumes and safety guards. These are very important tools for us to such type of improvement automatically reflect in games and sports, and these equipment ultimately helpful to enhancing the sports for performance. So this is very helpful to improving the sports equipments. Now third point, facilities, performance in sports. So facilities, facilities, performance in sports. So this is the main goal of biomechanics in the games and sports, to improvement in performance. This is the main task, and biomechanics enhance the performance level. Biomechanics principle to improve particular person or individual player techniques, the equipments, and the must be used and to modify that particular games and sports, and especially about the training methods also. Time to time then lot of great changes coming in the training, and this is the just for the biomechanics, because time to time people working in deeply manner to improving the sports performance. And along with this, biomechanics is very much useful to depend such type of techniques, methods, and to reduce the chance of injury also, and as well as with these type of efforts to make the changes in equipments according to injuries, because sometimes they deeply just read out the things के how its injury occur, कैसे लगी चोट, इक्विपमेंट से क्या हुआ, what is the causes behind of the injury, and उन स्टडी के बेसिस पे ही वो और इक्विपमेंट्स और उनके डिज़ाइन में चेंज करते हैं. एंड इन दिस वे एथलीट और प्लेयर यूजुअली remain healthy, as well as they protect ourselves from the injury with the help of biomechanics, and they enhance the performance level day by day better. And that's why we can see biomechanics very much helpful in sports performance, as well as to provide the facilities of sports equipments. And this is very important to an important role also to prevent from the injury, as well as to prevent from different kind of dangerous equipments with the help of study. Next point, the support support in preventing injury. This is also a very much important point, how it's support to preventing injury, कैसे ये बचाती है चोट लगने से. Biomechanics very helpful to improving the equipments, design different kind of dresses, kits, and to prevent from the injury in various ways. It is also very helpful in this process to rehabilitation of injuries also, because biomechanics is useful, identification what force, how you will be applied, and what injury comes during that particular activity or action. Then it's a part of training also, because if the trainer or coach some wrong techniques use, sometime player cannot execute the correct action in during training time, so definitely they got hurt. And that's why deeply analysis goes in continuous same manner to prevent from the injury, as well as the improving the methods or process of rehabilitation also. Because जब इंजरी हो गई, चोट लग गई, तो उस चोट से प्लेयर कितनी जल्दी से जल्दी वापस ठीक हो सकता है, और जो जिस पर्टिकुलर लिम्ब में या पार्ट में चोट लगी है, हाउ यू विल बी मेक स्ट्रेंथफुल अगेन लाइक प्रीवियस. previous strength देने के लिए we have to use some rehabilitation process, that is the part of the exercise. Some exercise we have to apply with the help of machines, as well as we have to apply direct to provide the strength that particular limb. Biomechanics is useful to provide is the basic change in techniques of training, in equipments, as well as the methods, and then we can say keep biomechanics very supportive to preventing the sports injuries. Next, help in promoting safety. This is also a very important role of biomechanics to provide the help to promoting safety. Biomechanics is also always promoting the safety of a sports person. When a sports person move and nervous system and muscular system contract, that is the neuromuscular coordination we can say, and sometimes it is very important to understand the bony system also, how to move and how to work the axis joints. These are very important for when teachers or physical education coach, trainer to give some training to the sports person, and they have responsible they can to provide the guidelines also, but it's a depend on the injury also, because if the guidelines not proper, player cannot follow the proper guidelines, then you cannot enhancing the performance level. Sometimes players cannot use that particular equipments, we can say safety guards also, then they got hurt. With the help of knowledge of biomechanics, and coach give the proper scientific knowledge to the players, and they have to utilize the safety equipments, and they perform the training games, or as well as the during competition level, then they can utilize the knowledge of the biomechanics, and they can increase the performance level. And movements should be avoid unwanted movements, whatever type of wrong techniques we have to avoid to prevent our body from the injury. And you must be utilize the scientific knowledge, fundamental skill, terminology, and perfect rule regulation you have to follow, then you can definitely promote the safety, and you can prevent your body from the injury. Biomechanics is very helpful to promoting the safety with the help of different new studies, and they always introduce the different method trainings, as well as the techniques to enhancing the sports, increase the sports performance or results. Next, working in the improvement of training. Always biomechanics play very vital role, and it's very potential type of subject, important subject, and in the beginning to modification in training, different kind of changes time to time add in the training session, or just for improving the sports result or performance, to increase the individual to individual athlete. Biomechanics can be applied the various ways method, and a proper biomechanic analysis of the techniques and some different scientific knowledge for a sports person can be very helpful by helping a coach, trainer, physical education teacher to just provide for that particular sports person during training how to perform the activities, how to perform the exercise, and how to execute that particular techniques, skills to improving the game sports performance. And this is very helpful. Sometimes the sports person may be limited by the strength. Enhance the strength, how to enhance, which this type of exercise very helpful to enhancing the muscle strength, to enhance the endurance, flexibility, we can say, how we can increase the speed, which type of body composition we have to apply during speed, what type of training method, exercise and machines to very much helpful to read out the speed percentile, movement of speed. This is very important part. And sometime due to pressure of competition, player just perform wrong techniques, got hurt because of the pressure of the competition, then they must be read out the psychological movements of that particular person, player in stress. So they just apply the techniques how we can decrease the stress of player also, as well as to it is very helpful to for teachers also, as well as player, trainer, coaches. It is very helpful for all to improving the training method and how we can make the improving training method to easy for player without any injury and without any stress, how we can increase the performance of games and sports. So this is very helpful to provide the some different and very important useful techniques time to time. Next point, that is the facilities understanding of human body. Which type, some different kind of facilities nowadays, people using the different kind of like ECG machine and all. Biomechanics is very helpful to understanding the complete human body. The knowledge of biomechanics provide the teachers, coaches and trainers to understand the better understanding, to understand human body function, various internal or external force, how to apply the force, effect human movement on that particular activity. Teacher come out to knowledge about the various systems such as sensory organs, if we can discuss, nervous system, muscular system, skeleton system. These are very important play role during the activity, during training, during the competition. And therefore if we can discuss the multi activities are there to making activities easy, the knowledge increase with the help of biomechanics for the teachers, coaches and trainers in a better way. Okay, how we can make the activities easy to understand the players, how we can make the skills useful and easy to understand for the player also, with the help of then lot of type of machines we have to understand the behavior of player, body behavior, what is the reading heart going, working in which condition, pulse going in high, low, what type of body composition work, and one more thing is very important, that is the performance level goes up and down, that is the analysis, and these are the measurements, or we can say test time to time performed by the coaches or trainer to understand the level of the athlete, and improvement also they must be understand and analysis. This is the just with the help of the biomechanics it is possible, and this is very important for the player also. And last point, our assist in improving training and learning process. Training process, teaching process, that is very important. How to teach and how to learn the process for particular activities. There's various activities in games and sports, different kind of games and sports in the field of sports. Biomechanics very helpful to teaching and learning process. How to teach and how to learn. Physical education teachers, sports coaches, and each and every activity usually involve so many type of movements, and we must be understand the movements with the help of biomechanics in moving the body, how to move, how to work, and how to act on that particular moment, which ultimately helpful to enhancing the games and sports performance. So it can be said that biomechanics is very helpful to improving teaching and learning process also, means this is very helpful for the coaches and this is very helpful for the players also. So biomechanics is very significant in improving games and sports performance. It is play a very vital role to reducing the risk of injury, improving the techniques, improving the sports equipments, and improving in design of sports equipments, guards, gear and clothes also. And then we can say it's promoting the safety of equipments or safety of players also. So this is very important subject to understand how we can execute the skill, terminology and fundamental skill. So strengths, this is very important topic, and we have completing. I hope you can understand the what is biomechanics and what is the importance of biomechanics in games and sports. For player, what is the role of biomechanics, as well as for the trainer and teacher also. Okay, this is the unit 8.1, and tomorrow we will discuss the another unit